Welcome to the MOS Utility Limited IRCTC booking and cancellation process video. Login to bizsolutions.com. Enter your login ID, password, K-code and CAPTCHA. And login. Click on the IRCTC icon and open the link in a new tab. Enter your IRCTC login ID. Tick the I accept checkbox and login. You will now see the Book Train Ticket online page. Enter from station to station and journey date. Click on Search Trains to view available options. Check the availability and select your preferred train, date, and class. Click on the Book Now button. On the review page, enter passenger details such as name, age, and gender. Scroll down the page. Enter your email ID and mobile number. Click on Review and continue. If a pop-up appears, allow pop-ups and refresh the page. Click on the pop-up icon, select Always Allow Pop-ups, and click the blue link to continue. Now, the Availability and Fare Details page will open. Verify all the details and click on Make Payment. In Payment Gateway page, enter IRCTC password. Enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number or email ID. Tick the I accept checkbox and click Submit. Ticket is booked successfully. Go to Booking Return History. Click OK to proceed. Click on Booking History to view your booking details. Select the From Date and To Date, then click on Search to view your booked tickets. IRCTC cancellation process. Click on Booking History and enter the journey date. And click on Search. Booking details will be shown and click on View. Click on Cancel Ticket in the Journey and Passenger Details page. Click on the checkbox, select I agree and click on Cancel Ticket. In Cancellation History, select Journey Date and click on Search. Cancellation details will be shown. Click on Process Refund. Will receive OTP in registered mobile number entered while booking. Enter the OTP and click on Submit. OTP verified and the amount is refunded in primary balance. You can print the refund receipt. Thank you for choosing MOS Utility Limited.